wanted something sweet, y'all.
I don't get it. I don't know what happened. I mean, 1 minute I feel like everyone's laughing at me, and then the next minute I feel perfectly fine.
Yeah, I know it.
What's the matter? What are you feeling?
I don't know. All of a sudden, I just feel weaker.
Maybe you should sit down.
Phoebe? Phoebe? Phoebe, can you hear me? Wake up. He's just sleeping now. She'll be fine. They'll all be fine. What have you done to her? Same thing that's been done to everyone else. They weren't supposed to turn you, not until they were ready. We had no choice. You didn't have a choice. You can't do this. Beta's dead, Theo. What? It's why you feel less powerful. Why we all do. But it seems that Agent Brody had another potion. After all, one that both he and Zanku hoped to bring down Utopia with before it even began. But we can't let that happen. The sooner we complete the transformation, the less chance he has of succeeding. Which is why we need the power of the Charmed Ones with us. Now more than ever. I'm sure you understand. But we were supposed to talk to them first. Ideally, yes. But Paige was inconsolable.
Y'all look at my head.
As well.
My hair
We must press on, Leo, now.
is a mess.
Or Zanku will win all that we've done. But the thing will not.
Y'all like my shirt?
We can still give them the world
It's
they've
2
always
a.m.
wanted.
for me.
The
It's too
happiness
early for me.
you've
Get
never
it?
known. The happiness you've never known. But we must move quickly. And as one. Let's see how Paige is going to be happy after what happened. She'll understand. Everyone will understand. That those who bring conflict into the world cannot be
Y'all
tolerated.
look, she sleeps, so I was able to eat me an ice cream sandwich. She is not that loud. I guess that's the end, y'all. I'm watching
No big deal.
Charmers still. It's the drink. Oh, okay. Got me some Coke, y'all. Had to have my caffeine.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. You got insurance? Yeah. Don't worry about it.
Alright, y'all. Peace.